Hello, everyone. This is Marcela Arrieta, and welcome this evening. I know it's very late for many of you, but I've had the request to share with you how to use Palo Santo. Now, many of you have seen or bought these little packages. There we go. At Northgate Gonzalez Market throughout Southern California. It comes with one sage and about half an ounce of Palo Santo. Half an ounce is usually, give or take, 2 little sticks. But today we're going to focus only on the Palo Santo. Cómo usarlo. Now, what is Palo Santo? Palo Santo is a wood, of course. It's a wood that has a lot of properties when it comes to cleansing and harmonizing your surroundings. It has this frequency that emanates from the smoke that, together with your intentions, your prayer, or your affirmation, has the ability and the power to clean your surroundings. Okay, so el Palo Santo es una madera que se utiliza para poder limpiar las energías, las vibraciones o las frecuencias bajas de su entorno. Y de la manera que la usan es simplemente toman su Palo Santo, un encendedor, y van a colocar la lumbre directamente sobre el palito. Just that fire over the wood. Ahora van a tomar en mente que este palito, aunque sea de madera, no va a retener tanto la lumbre, la llama. Entonces lo que tienen que hacer es apagar la lumbre, y lo que importa es este humito. Lo que pueden hacer es abrir las ventanas de su hogar o su entorno, ir por cada cuarto de su hogar, go around to every room in your home, open your windows and say a prayer. Digan una oración o una afirmación. I personally use our Lord, oh my gosh, I was going to say in Spanish, El Padre Nuestro. You can use any affirmation that you like. Just go around and remember to always put it back in a little container. Regrésenlo a un contenedor where the ashes, donde la ceniza pueda ser colectada. Y solito se va a apagar. It's going to turn off on its own. So remember, the important thing is the smoke. Lo importante es el humito, ¿sí? Ok, eso es todo. Si tienen alguna preguntita me hacen saber, me mandan un mensajito, pero si no, ahí está. Así, that is how you use or how you can use Palo Santo. I'll make another video next time about how to use sage. All right? Buenas noches. Adiós. Bye, Jackie.